Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is knight, f3,
g6,
c, sword,
bishop, g7,
d8, sword,
d6,
knight, c3,
knight, f6,
a, sword,
castles kingside,
bishop, a2,
c5,
castles kingside,
c captures on d4,
knight, captures on d8, sword,
knight, c6,
bishop, a3,
bishop, d7,
queen, d8, 2,
knight, captures on d4,
bishop, captures on d8, sword,
bishop, c6,
f3,
knight, d7,
bishop, a3,
a5,
b3,
knight, c5,
well, a1,
queen, b6,
knight, d8, 5,
bishop, captures on d5,
c, captures on d8, 5,
rook, fc8,
well, f, d8, 1,
queen, b4,
well, c2,
knight, d7,
well, d8, c1,
rook, captures on c2,
well, captures on c2,
knight, c5,
queen, captures on b, sword,
a captures on b4,
bishop, d8, 2,
bishop, c3,
bishop, captures on c3,
b captures on c3,
king, f2,
F5.
A captures on F5.
G captures on F5.
Ting A3.
King F7.
Bishop C store.
King F6.
Ting D store.
F4.
Ting captures on C3.
Rook C8.
What A2.
Knight D7.
Ting D store.
Knight E5.
A store.
H5.
What C2.
H4.
Ting A store.
Knight G6.
Bishop D3.
Rook captures on C2.
Bishop captures on C2.
E5.
A5.
Knight F8.
B store.
Knight D7.
Bishop A store.
Knight B8.
Bishop B5.
King G6.
Bishop A8 check.
King F6.
B5.
King E7.
Bishop C6. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.